Hi everyone! Welcome to Souped Up Recipes. Today we're making stir-fried glass noodles with minced pork. It has a weird name called 蚂蚁上树, which translates as ants climbing on the tree. Don't worry, ants are not on the ingredient list. It is describing that the ground pork looks like ants and the noodles are like tree branches. Which I do not think it looks like that at all. But this is a mouth-watering recipe that you must try. Also, it's quick and easy, so let's get started.
粉丝 is the type of noodles that you will use in this recipe. It is called bean threads in English, also known as glass noodles. Depends on the brand, the ingredient list could be different. This one is made with mung bean powder and potato starch. The other one is made with peas and cornstarch. Doesn't matter because both of them will work well. I'll put the Amazon link in the description. Go check it out if you need it. Soak it with room temperature water for 20 minutes. Make sure you adjust it so everything is below the liquid level. During this time, you can quickly prepare a few aromatics. A couple of garlic cloves, peeled and then finely minced. A small piece of ginger, about the size of a teaspoon, crushed and then finely minced. A couple of red chilies and a green chili. Discard the stem, take out the seeds, slice it into strips and dice it. The chilies I used are quite spicy. If you don't eat spicy food, you can switch it to red and green bell pepper. The glass noodles should be soft by now. Take it out and drain the water. Use scissors to give it a few rough cuts. If the noodles are too long, they will tangle together while cooking. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the wok. Turn the heat to low. Throw in the minced garlic, ginger, and 1 tablespoon of Sichuan doubanjiang, aka fermented boiled beans in chili oil. This is what I'm using. I'll put the Amazon link in the description. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Stir everything on low heat because all these ingredients are easy to get burned. In about a minute or two, the oil should have a bright orange color. Turn the heat to high and add the ground pork. I prefer to use at least 15% fat ratio. Cook this until the raw pink meat color is gone. You should see a little bit pork fat rendered out from the meat. Turn the heat back to low again because we'll add the noodles. These noodles are made with lots of starch. If you cook it on high heat, they will stick to the wok for sure. Keep adding 1.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2.5 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine. These liquidy seasonings will create some steam, which will cook the noodles really fast. In about a couple of minutes, all the noodles should be pliable and transparent. They are not stiff anymore. That means it is cooked through. Then you can throw in the diced green and red chilies. Keep cooking. If you find out that the noodles are still sticking to the bottom of the wok, you can always add a splash of water. That will help to loosen up the noodles. Turn off the heat. Add some diced scallion before serving. Mix and you're done. Take it out. Enjoy. This is my go-to recipe when I just want a quick, nice, tasty noodle dish. It takes less than 30 minutes to make, even including 20 minutes to soak the noodles. It's just simply delicious.
I hope you give this a try soon. If you did, leave me a comment, let me know how it goes. As always, you can click the link in the description and find the printable recipe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!